In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add temperature to your Instagram story. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Instagram app. Then swipe to the right to activate story camera, then just take a picture of some object, and then you will be able to add a temperature sticker to your story. To do that, just hit at that sticker's icon and then just search for temperature. And then you can add stickers. Find that temperature sticker, you can tap on it to place it over your story. After that, you can move it around, you can pinch it to scale, and after that you will be able to continue creating your story. You can use some text here, some another stickers, some effects, and all that stuff. Once you have finished with that, just hit add to that arrow icon to share this story with your followers. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.